Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how can we use radio button. Our example will be we have three radio buttons. If you click any one of them, the background of our activity will be changed. So to use radio button, at first you should draw the radio group from the container tab. So go to the containers tab and draw the radio group. Okay, then we are going to map it for vertical and horizontal. Okay, now go to text and let's change it using XML. To make it our width match parent, so we will write match parent. That means the width of the radio group will be equal to the width of the container or the parent, which is the activity itself. Then for the height, we are going to give it, for example, 150 dp. Yes, I think it is okay. Now, the last thing, you should give it ID. So I'm going to name it RG, for example, stand for radio group. Now let's back to the design, go to the widget tab, and let's start with drawing three radio buttons. This is the first one, second one, and third one. For the first one, I'm going to click on it, and I am going to call this radio button, for example, suppose RDO underscore red. And for the text, I'm going to write red. Now, for the second one, I will call it RDO underscore green, and for text also green. Of course, the same thing with the last one, RDO underscore blue, and for text it will be blue. Okay, now we have radio group with three radio buttons. Our example will be, if we click on red, the background color of our activity will be changed to red. The same thing with green and blue. So for this example, I'm going to the main activity. Here in the Kotlin code, I'm going to add some event for our radio button. So the first one is the RDO red dot set on click listener, which means if we click on the radio button. So what the function will be, I'm going to change the background of the main screen of the activity itself. So let's go to the text for XML and let's add some ID for our main activity. ID and call it, for example, screen. So this ID for the whole activity because we add it in the layout itself. Now let's write screen dot set background color. Okay, if you have any problem, just alt enter, and dot parse color, for example, hashtag FF40 for red. The same thing will be for the other radio button. So copy paste, just change it to RDO green, and also we are going to change the color to 00FF, okay, 00. Same thing with the last radio button, which is the RDO blue. Here the RD blue, that will be with 4 zeros. Yes, something like that, 4 zeros and double F. Here it is ready. This code said if you click on the first radio button, okay, the background of the screen will be changed to red. So let's try this example, run it. Okay, let's see the result here. It will take some time to build and install this APK inside our emulator. Yes, like this. So let's try red. Yes, green and also blue. So in this video we have talked about how can we draw some radio button in the screen and use it to change the background color of the main activity. See you next video.